is Dee with DJ Designs, and I'm here in Kansas City after a very nice AKA Pearls of Heartland charter membership event, and I was one of the vendors there. It was awesome, very good turnout, and also the food was good, people were nice, and my earrings was huge success. I did debut my interchangeable inlay inset earrings, where you get two bases and you change it into 3 different inserts, and that was a huge success. I will be packaging those, and for those who have paid memberships, you will have access to how I do these. So it's something you definitely want to add to your vendor item, and it will definitely increase your sales, because it did with me. Okay, we'll sit back and enjoy some of the highlights of the AKA Pearland Charter Membership Brunch. Okay, setting up earrings, and I have my daughter here helping me. My daughter helping me. She's on the phone right now.
You gotta tell me what's going on.
Yeah, they can put those with the leather. But yeah, we're still setting up. Okay, well here we have is Miss Toya Keller. And what is it, the charter? Okay, a charter in Pearls of Heartland charter.
We're now out to Kappa.
Oh wow, looking pretty. Okay, all right, well good luck to you. And this is some of the highlights of the actual venue that they had, the brunch. Very nice, very beautifully decorated. And here you can see some of the vendors that was set up there. I had a good location. Fortunate to me, for me there was no one selling handmade earrings, so I really liked that. But that's juices, handmade juices, and this is natural healing items. She was next to me. And you can see the beautiful array of the brunch items that was served at the AK event. Very elegant, very elegant. The food was delicious, and I thought it was very well planned. And that's the salad. And this is another vendor that was doing AKA paraphernalia. That's the poster and one of the plates that was served. And more scenery from the venue. Very beautifully decorated with the pink and green to go with the theme of the AKA. From people interacting, and here we have the after party that took place at 5, and I did set up a little bit, but I soon took it down after an hour because I wanted to enjoy the festivities. But this is the cocktail hour that they had. As you can see, there's still ladies in the pink and green. Okay, everybody had a great time. Everybody interacting. It was a beautiful day, and this is some of the individual charcuterie boards. My daughter and her friend did do those, and they had the toasting station right there. Okay, we're at the AKA Pearls of Heartland event. You enjoying yourself?
Of course.
You enjoying
Of course,
yourself?
and I bought some earrings.
Oh, yeah, of course you do. Thank you. All right.